Hey, second graders. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about something that we included in the packet that we mailed home for you. And we're going to work on this a little bit for our social emotional learning, and as well, it's kind of going to be part of our social studies time. So all the students in all of our classes can work together. So in the packet that we sent out, there is a copy on my screen, which you can see, but we also made a paper copy for you, and it's a Today I Feel package. And inside of it, there are about 15 sheets that say, how are you feeling today? And it gives you the opportunity to draw a picture of how you're feeling, and then we're going to write about how we're feeling. We thought this might be good for you because there's a lot of confusion going on right now with we're not being in school, we don't have class regularly, the coronavirus and all the news that we hear. So we thought it might be helpful just to have some time to be able to share our feelings and write a little bit about them, especially since we don't get to be together every day, and that makes me lonely. It makes me feel a little bit sad, and I know it makes Miss Doughton and Miss Buckley and Miss Fuertes and Miss Weber a little sad as well. So we hope that we can connect with you a little bit about your emotions and your feelings in this way. So on the first page, it kind of has a whole bunch of feelings, and obviously there's a lot more than what are here, but we have our sad, we have nervous, confused, which frankly is a little bit how I'm feeling right now, embarrassed, happy, disappointed, unsure, scared, content, calm. Oh, I love being calm. After I do yoga, I feel very calm. Excited, which puts us in the yellow zone. Helpless, silly, frustrated, heartbroken, worried, annoyed, angry, lonely, and overjoyed. And I know there's a lot more feelings, and maybe you can think of some right now. I know there's a lot of other things that you can feel. So what we're going to do is, this is just going to be a short video. I want to show you how this works. On the pages, there is just two things that you're going to fill out. And the first one is, how do you feel? And this is where you can draw a picture. You could also just write a word if you wanted about how you're feeling today. It doesn't have to be one word. It doesn't have to be one picture. It can be several things. You can feel sad and excited and frustrated all at the same time. You can feel lots of different emotions at the same time. So in here, I'm actually going to put how I'm feeling. So I'm going to take a look at my Today I Feel screen. And I already said that I feel a little bit confused. And I'll explain why about that in a moment. But I'm also feeling pretty happy right now because I'm making this video and it gives me a chance to connect with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to get my stylus ready, and I'm just going to draw a little kind of a happy face because I am feeling happy that I get to connect with you. So there's my happy face. I'm not a great drawer. You guys might be doing better than me, but that is my happy face. I might include some squiggly hair up here, and I think that's about as far as I'll go. Now the other one, I was feeling confused, which kind of gives me a face like this. I'm not sure. So I'm also going to make a confused face. So I'm going to make my eyes, and I've got my nose, and I've kind of got this little bit of a, it's not really a frown, but it's like a, I'm not sure what's going on. So I've got my happy face, and I've got my confused face. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to fill out our sentence box. And I'm going to type mine in so that you can see me doing it as we're doing it. If you have a pencil or a pen, you can feel free to write yours in on your box today as well. So, I feel that way because. So I already typed I feel that way because. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase part of that, though. I feel confused, which, again, is this little guy here, because I am learning new technology, and sometimes it can be frustrating. So I'm using those words to express my emotions, just like we ask you guys to do when you are in circle and we're talking. Okay? Now, I kind of said why I'm feeling happy as well. So I'm going to write, I am also feeling very happy because I am able to make this video and connect with all of the students that I teach. And I'm going to put an exclamation point on the end of that because connecting with you guys, talk to some of you on chat with Miss Buckley's class. I sent out a video last week. It makes me really happy to know that you guys are there and that we can still talk to you a little bit. So this is just a tool. It's part of social emotional learning. It's going to be part of our social studies. I'll try and check in with you 2 days a week with this. So how are you feeling today? Today, like I said, I feel happy. I also feel confused. And then I was able to write a little bit about my emotions. And this can be just a good way for you to express your emotions. If you need to talk to somebody about them, you might talk to a family member, a parent, or a brother or sister. And a good way to catch up. Okay. I hope you're doing well. I will talk to you guys soon. All right. Adios.